Dear investors and friends, don't miss the details of the construction progress at Anichi Resort and Spa, located on the island of Dominica, renowned for its pristine nature. Anichi Resort and Spa is proudly part of the Autograph Collection by Marriott International and has been approved by the Dominican government under the Citizenship by Investment program. With minimum investment starting at $220,000. The citizenship application process typically takes 3 to 4 months. The benefits of Dominican citizenship include visa-free travel to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax climate, access to the Caribbean market, and lifetime citizenship. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Contact us now to explore the possibilities.